Are you still looking for the right advertising signage for your store and business? This video will show you 4 types of lightbox signages that's suitable for your business and store to make your brand shine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony. If you're interested, please remember to like and follow us to get more relevant information later. Lightbox signage are the hot selling products of our brand. They're composed of tempered glass panel and aluminum alloy frame material, cost effective, light evenly, easy to install, have strong applicability, and creative design. Replace the poster at will. Of course, you need to make judgments and choices based on your actual needs. High quality and strong durability. And the design is so human, with rounded corner and ultra-thin edge. Safe to use and does not hurt your hands. Suitable for most occasions and needs. You can buy with confidence. Number 2, desktop light boxes. Magnetic structure design makes it easy to install. A4 size does not take up space, lighter and more convenient. Number 3, floor standing light boxes. Stable structure, long-lasting light and waterproof. Available in different sizes, eye-catching, easy to fold and install, and often installed to place outside store. Number 4, vertical light boxes. The height and the angle of the light box can be adjusted at will with a variety of size, flexible for application, just like this. Using light boxes signage to attract more customers and make your store level up. If you still don't know how to choose, please consult us for more details. As an advertising manufacturer with more than 13 years of experiences, LCSIGN is your best choice. Contact us to help you choose the best product solution. Remember to follow and subscribe to LCSIGN. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.